Hi, so today we're going to talk about making little woolen stars, and they're really good because you probably have all this stuff in your house if you do any crafts. So what you need is 2 squares of corrugated card. It's quite good if you get better quality corrugated card than the typical box that you may get in the post. So this is just from the back of some Christmas paper packaging actually. And then just 2 pieces, the same size, of colourful paper, anything will do. You'll need a glue stick, a pair of scissors, some yarn, and then maybe a little ribbon to attach. And also you'll need 8 sewing pins. Just add some decorative paper to your pieces of card, like so, on the fronts. And then we're going to glue them to each other. And to do that, you put quite a lot of glue because we want that to stay secure on the middle there. And then we're going to place them off centre like that. Alright, so we need to make sure that's nice and secure. And then we're going to take 8 pins and we're going to pin them as straight as we can through the middle of each of the 8 corners. So there, 1, 2. This could definitely be sped up. 3, 4, 5. I'll do my ribbon. Last one. 6. Oh, 7. Okay, what I forgot to do actually is add the ribbon, so we're just going to squeeze that in now. So we're going to add a little bit of extra glue. Like so, both sides. And then we're going to place him here. A bit shorter. And here. And now we're ready to go. So the process is that you're going to move the yarn down alternate pins. So we're going to do 1, 2, and then we're going to go back 1, 1, 2, back 1, 1, 2, back 1, forward 2, back 1. Okay. Do 1 full rotation. Just got to be careful not to trap this ribbon, which will be very useful later. Back 1, forward 2. Okay, so now we've done 1 full rotation, and now you're going to need to just repeat that, but you're going to be doing it just a little bit forward each time. So we've gone back, forward 2, back 1, forward 2, back 1, and we're going to go all the way around. And then the big reveal. Do, 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 do. Make not buy with Lark.